Ebusuan for eche shobi bia I call best kitchen. Ene yenya ho eye me me boss oba be ye bibi onim ye. Ama enti ye betu ye pacha YouTube. On subscribe we are subscribe we call bet. Say ya started bosom for the estimate bibia for bebrem. You hu ya che say the aba enti eye me be na di mot. What's oba be ye bibia ma enti mo hwe na sa. Ene enti hi. Nata ene o se den na aba be no ama I call best kitchen follow subscribers we are chef for ebusuan for more then also baby what are you going to
I'm going to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so what are your ingredients? Internet ebusuan for the tree ni broken be frasa ha tree kwan ye kan so e dey nya hoho inti e be frasa
Butter and
show me
softened butter and eggs.
so also your butter see you be heavy and a egg and a day blue.
And then it's just thick.
Okay, and the cooking.
Do I use all of it?
You can use all of it. Yes. It's a pacho. Yeah, baby. Yes. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. It's a high in quality and your paint. No, na ya ope. It's a no so. Ma, me me bibi. Will show you smart. No, baby makes it. Yeah, said or yeah, Nedriana no. The cookie no. It is biscuit. Ghana, Quebec say biscuit. Africa biscuit. High kind of cookies. It's also baby. Now before then, ya mpacho busuan for ya ho yen Saturday ye bi bia da na kwan mu ye ba ya ntino o ba be start o ba be say de ye no me share me kura me ni ye nti ya me sua no say de o tun the cookies yeah.
I don't know how to make it, but like I'm using
the okay also nim say there or you do the steps no how to make it recipe no and or baby or recipe to use method no from back of the package no no yes then
Okay, so you're gonna need
so you already poured this right?
Yeah, so
hand so the idea now plan contain and how many do you need?
I'm just gonna use 2 because
okay
I don't have measurements right now.
Okay, but this is not 2.
No, this one is bigger than so.
Okay.
And then egg.
Okay, so the kusia be fry.
Ooh.
Are they?
The shell.
Okay. What is it? Okay. The kusia for and I have to hear the shell of the enjoy. Wow, that is already washed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Why does it look like that?
It was for your friend said they or mix it again. Initially, it was for mixing or mixing to here oil. Fry and oil no na or the big one.
It's so big.
Let me hold it.
It looks good.
Okay. Okay. See. And then that would be a good one.
Ooh. Maya, could you get me milk?
Okay. Leave it and get the milk.
Okay.
How many?
Just one.
One what?
One milk cup. 1/3 of a milk cup. Just gonna put this one.
Just leave it until
Let's hope it doesn't turn to liquid.
It's at the end of all mixing. Cooking no all mixing. The beer woman do a chocolate chip womb and a oats a womb and a flour na a can home money yet. To be beer woman mix it. And then the tree in the brofon never frasa. She said, on Timekasa.
I do.
Not all of it, right? You don't understand everything.
Yeah, I understand a lot.
A lot, okay.
What do you say okay?
Oh, I
understand a lot.
Okay. It's Yankechi. Okay.
I can't speak it.
It's okay. So, Ghana, which part of Ghana are you from? I know you are from, you can say,
Yuko.
Or Yuko.
Okay, I think I'm done.
So, all right. Okay, so what are you going to do? What is the next stage to do?
I guess preheat the oven.
Okay. So, oven, and
Wait, I think I need to refrigerate it because it's too liquidy.
okay, so what are you going to do now?
Because if you want to bake cookies, you have to mold it.
So, what is the next step?
Freeze the cookies.
How many minutes?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay. Until we see for say or the cookie dough now why no push fridge in base 10 minutes, right? Okay. Until after 10 minutes no are you call by a samba na or the or bet the next step of until they push fridge for 10 minutes. It's okay, go do whatever. Yeah, every fridge in him between 4 in it. Yeah, every fridge in him. Say in fridge then say then
so we're gonna like take it and
then into while washing the hands into mommy who said your no yeah greasy tray the for the grease the butter and how many degrees
350
350
didn't say anything so I'm just gonna
into 300 near warm micro oven no so preheat, right? Okay. Into no me and Shafina. I knew. Our phone inside. Alade yedi. You can call washing hands now. Or let it here go. Okay. You know, you even use this. I was saying for one fancy and then colladi yedi. Hey, Fanny to cook in a gusso. With a sapine, you need a dog tree, right?
Yeah, but we don't have one.
Okay.
Let me just make tiny ones.
Nti abusuafo for cookies nani nti owi meboa okay nti ewi eti no ye chama oven no ehiti a na ye de ashim nti mama ye mereka krabi ayi ko ba ha say cookie no ayi ready nti ye de ko akwakohye oven nti no any oven no 350, right?
Yeah.
So the cook will shim for 18 minutes. Into the shim. Into a for the best I train my 18 minutes. Into no ababa when you cooking a mine and then you marry. So ye biscuits. Mine. I say
yeah.
Bibi aboko. So no you pa you see to a trick at right befa was your for my company my 18 minutes no the away who be out way to another way I told way to another people who subscribe I Cobes TV yes it was some from the name of from neighbor now you bobo means said the whole of last month in Kapapa ye near me to Tonyama after Yabani de in Yago cry until one subscribe I Cobes TV kitchen to the world yeba you train 18 minutes na cooking no e she oven nti yeba e de ne be bon ko be stand say na ukodu Ghana kra na ukodu airport na wo yere a fan se nko na wo kwa obede no hu krum kwan yeba e be stand say asem ya he say obehu baby ofiri a why nti mon train yeba abusiafo cookies no ena ya wie no aha ujai also say see what for 2 minutes but the person chance say aka adenim enti no esese ye bi si ho for 2 minutes enti abusiafo eba 2 minutes cookie dey etimi eyi free adenim anya ko e be fa na sa bende eja kola dia wale na
I don't think I did it correctly. I did it correctly.
It's a for cooking on. They're not saying so for 2 minutes.
It's not.
It's not saying so for 2
ruined
minutes.
it.
I thought, friend. And to be transfer cooking on. I know. And tell you, I remember my kitchen. I saw about my kitchen. No about tutu boy be my next time aja obey ni enu college and no oye bi ne bi say ni ensin entin Natalia me do asa so buy
You're welcome.
And then you work am say that's so bad do say ati ase number 2 Ghana ofi fan number na ofi ko ben so na ofi
Ghana?
O ma me no in case you go there by yourself and you get lost. How can you find your way to your hometown, your mother's hometown?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know your mother's hometown?
No, I do, but I don't know how to get there. Because I wouldn't want.
You don't know, but maybe someone will ask you. Someone will come and ask you, where are you going?
But then what if I get kidnapped?
No one is going to get
That happens everywhere.
But I say we say we are kwasa. Until you cook you na you. E dey ma fly over. If I to my car film. E dey ne pan eba. Mo subscribe to Ayeko Best Kitchen. Until now what better be patrol. Subscribe, like, share and comment. And then you be na be cooking mine. Biscuit. Into Ayeko Best Kitchen, to the world. Ne rap crowd, 20. You many be a it's it.